We invite you to lean back, close your eyes, and relax. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Imagine in the center of your heart a golden warm light. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your body. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your aura. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into the room that you're in. And imagine for all your beings of light, all your guides, all your families of light to be around you, sending you their love. Feel this presence for all these light beings around you. And now, dear ones, begin to view yourself, view your body in bright white light. And imagine or picture or feel within you, within your mind, within your brain, different pathways. All the neural pathways, all the different connections within your mind, within your brain. Some of them are lighter and some of them are a little bit darker. And so now we invite you to imagine coming from above, from Creator, from your I Am Presence, from your higher self, a golden light coming down into your head. And this golden liquid light now fills all the pathways in your brain and in your head that are dark, and they are all being filled with this golden liquid light. Until all your pathways are all lit up in this golden liquid light. And as everything is filled up in this golden liquid light, imagine for this golden liquid light to move down your nervous system, your central nervous system, down your spine, down your spine. Your central nervous system is very important in your creative process. And with this golden liquid light, you are allowing the highest degree of harmony and creator energy within your body of the highest perfection to fill you with this golden liquid light and to integrate into every cell, atom, and electron of your body. Breathe it in, dear ones. Breathe it in. And now now imagine for this golden liquid light to expand out into your aura, filling your entire aura with this golden liquid light of absolute harmony. Breathe it in, dear ones. And now, dear ones, imagine for this golden liquid light to expand out into your entire world, filling your entire world, your reality, with this golden liquid light of absolute perfect harmony, divine harmony. Bathe your entire world, your entire reality in divine perfect harmony. And breathe. And when you feel complete, come on back. Wiggle your fingers and toes, move your head, and open your eyes. Welcome back, dear one.